UPL is a global ag inputs company. We are very focused on technologies to improve agriculture productivity for large and smallholder farmers. And one of the spaces where we are dominant is post-harvest losses. So UPL is involved in grain storage technologies to reduce losses. We are involved in citrus and apples, mangoes, potatoes. Most of the potatoes used in the world use our technology. We've been working for almost 6-7 years in Africa, and we've realized that just helping farmers improve productivity does not improve income levels. And I think the whole missing link is around connecting farmers to value chain. So whatever he produces, he can get a decent value for it. And so we have launched this huge initiative for creating 1 million tons of cold chain in Africa. This was announced last week at the WEF, together with Agra. And we will have additionally lots of other partners who are willing to commit to this project. The idea is to create cold chains for potatoes and other crops so that there is less losses, and the farmer who increases productivity earns really more money. So our UPL's objective is really to more than double his income from the current farmer's income, and this will happen by increasing productivity and also reducing losses and connecting them to value chains. So we are currently in 19 countries in Africa. All the countries have their own growth rates, own development rates, and so we follow the trend. We do our own thing, and you find that some commodities the farmers are doing well and they're more interested in investing in technology, so we work with them. As far as the potato value chain, will start in 3 of the East African countries, Rwanda, Kenya and Uganda, and then we will take it to other countries including West Africa. UPL's been involved with IGD for 3 or 4 years now. We've always find it's a great networking opportunity, meeting local business leaders from Africa and their views. It's very interesting there's not many platforms where you can really interact with them, and the IGD team does a great job of creating networking opportunities to understand the challenges, we find it is a great platform for us to participate in. We think we can add a lot of value, and we're happy to support a good cause. I think the most important thing is that for African agriculture to really progress, all the technologies, all the knowledge exists. I think collectively the governments, the industry, the farmer groups, the NGOs need to work together and prioritize what needs to be done. We also need to protect, in some cases, small farmers for a period of time, because farming as such is a very risky business. With climate change, that is impacting it even more. So I think it's very, very important that we create an environment where the farmers can get good cash flows. You will see that food production in Africa can double very easily. We just need to give them some hope and good cash flows. I think the key is great cash flows for them, and there are enough people trying to solve this problem. I think it'll get solved. It is something which will really drive economic growth, because as we know, huge amount of African population is still involved in agriculture.